Hello students, a very good evening to all of you. I am here with my fourth video on relation and function. In the previous three videos, we discussed about ordered pair as well as cards and product of sets. Today we shall be discussing about the most awaited topic, which is none other than relation. Whenever we talk about relation, we do have objects in our mind. And the objects means what? A pair of objects I am talking about. When one component of the pair is associated with another component of the pair, naturally there must be some relationship in between them. And those relationships may be established between the numbers, between any two geometrical figures, or even between human beings. A very common word, relation, you might have heard. Before dealing it mathematically, I just want to say something about this thing. So many times you have heard about relationship. So far as a pair of numbers are concerned, a lot of relations can be established in between two numbers. The most important and common relationship between the numbers are the relation of equality, relation of less than, relation of greater than, relation of less than or equal to, relation of greater than or equal to. When we take any two numbers, say A and B, would you mind saying the relationship between A and B? Yes, you can. A may be either equal to B, or A may be less than B, A may be greater than B. These three relations always come in your mind whenever we talk about two real numbers. In fact, this relation is also called as trichotomy law. Whenever we talk about geometrical figures, suppose the lines, pair of lines being taken either in two-dimensional geometry or three-dimensional geometry, no matter, two lines may be either parallel or two lines may be perpendicular to each other. So what is the relationship between those two lines? The relation of parallelism, the relation of perpendicularity, I'm sorry. So far as a set of human beings are concerned, in your family also, in your locality also, two persons can be related to each other with some relation. Suppose A and B are two family members, I mean to say your family members. Naturally, A would be either brother of B, A would be either sister of B, A may be a father of B, A may be a mother of B. So a lot many relations can be established, or we have been establishing this one between two human beings in the family or in the society. Is a friend of, is also a relation, is an employer of, is an employee of. A lot of relations are there, and this is very common word which is being used frequently everywhere. Without establishing relationship between two objects, the function could not be performed. You might have heard about a common disease, malaria. Nowadays, a very common medicine have been using for malaria. You know the name of that medicine, hydroxychloroquine. I've also remembered the name of that medicine, is frequently being used in this COVID-19 also. Did you ever think that why is it done? Because I think the scientists might have obtained some relationship between the symptoms of malaria as well as COVID-19, and that is why they allowed to use this particular medicine for the patient of COVID-19. And you know very well that we, the Indians, that means the Indian government, is the largest exporter of this particular medicine, and we are supplying in several countries and saving so many lives nowadays. Anyways, I just want to now define relation mathematically. I talked about a pair of objects. So where from did we get the pair of objects? Undoubtedly we do get a pair of objects from the Cartesian product of sets. Once the Cartesian product of two sets, whether those two sets are equal or different, no matter, pairs are obtained, and then we just have some pairs, we just choose some pairs from that and see whether there could be any relationship between the components of the pairs or not. If yes, that is being named by that particular relation. So just first of all, we try to understand the definition of that one. I have just written on the board. You may be noting it out if you want. Just note it down. I just read also. Any subset R of Cartesian product of sets A and B is called a relation from A to B, and is written as, you just see the symbolic. This can be read as R is a relation from A to B. This can also be used to represent a relation from A to B. That is, the main thing is that if R is a subset of A cross B, then R is a relation from A to B. Similarly, if R is a subset of A cross A, then R would be a relation from A to A. That means R is a relation on A. And this particular relation, a specific relation, is known as binary relation over the set A. So this is the definition of relation. So you got it? In order to recognize whether the given set is a relation from A to B or A to A or not, you have to check whether the pair elements, whatever we have chosen for R, the symbolic R for relation we have used, are lying in A cross B or A cross A or not. If all those elements, whatever have been taken in R, are lying in A cross B, then naturally R will be a relation from A to B. If any one of the pair element is not lying in A cross B, then naturally R won't be a relation from A to B. Now, one question may come in your mind, that if A and B are two finite and very small sets containing 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, then A cross B could be obtained quite easily. But what happens if A and B are either in finite sets or a large number of elements are lying in A and B? In that case, it is quite cumbersome to find A cross B and to judge whether the elements of A cross B has been taken in that particular set which has been defined as a relation or not. In that case, you have to follow one rule. Whatever is taken in that particular relation, whatever you are taking, you have to check whether the first component of those elements are lying in A or not and the second component in B or not. So far as the relation over the set A is concerned, you have to watch that both of the components of the elements in the considered set R are lying in A or not. If yes, then it is a relation from A to B or A to A. If not, that won't be a relation from A to A or A to B. Now, I just give you some examples so that you could understand it quite easily.